Hey guys, welcome to Hope Kids Factory Online. I'm Pastor Jesse. Now, we're not at church right now, but that doesn't mean that we can't praise Jesus. And that reminds me of our kids point today. Our kids point goes like this: I love Jesus all the time. Now, say it after me. I love Jesus all the time. Great job. Now, I want you to say it really quietly this time. I love Jesus all the time. Wow, you guys did that so great. I couldn't even hear you. Now, let's do it one more time, this time really loud. Do it after me. I love Jesus all the time. Wow, I heard y'all from over here. So today's show is going to be really fun. We're going to see a little bit of this.
Run for your life, Adam. Save your tiny self.
And we're going to do a little bit of that. We're going to do a little bit of this. Okay, I don't think I can do what that dog did, and I can't watch that ever again because that was just crazy. Okay, yeah, I can. Let's watch it again. So, if you guys are ready to have fun and praise Jesus at the same time, join us right after the service, 12:15 p.m. on Hope Kids Factory Facebook Live. Don't forget, if you're going to be ready, that means I'm going to be ready, and then let's go!